Why are we doing this? Why? Why?
Because we agreed to this? Did you just forget?
No? Never mind that. I'm ready and I'm opening the door.
Okay, on the count of 3, we jump.
What? How are you so calm at this?
1, 2. Before all of that happens, let's talk about trigonometry. First and foremost, what is trigonometry?
Trigonometry is the study of the relationship between side lengths and angles of triangles, from the Greek word trigonon, which means triangle, and metron, which means to measure. Since trigonometry is all about triangles, let's talk about parts of a triangle. In a triangle, there are 3 sides, which are the hypotenuse, being the longest side, opposite is the side across from the given angle, and adjacent is the side next to a given angle. In trigonometry, there are 6 functions, which are sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant, and cosecant. Although there are 6, in this video, we will only discuss 3, which are sin, cos, and tan, making the expression of SOHCAHTOA. This symbol is for the angle, which is called theta.
These are the formulas for each side. SO is for sin, theta is equal to the opposite side divided by the hypotenuse. Ka is for cosine, theta is equal to the adjacent side divided by the hypotenuse. Toa is for tangent, theta is equal to the opposite side divided by the adjacent side. For better understanding, let's try and do a practice run.
Let's say we're finding the adjacent with a given value of 20 to the hypotenuse with an angle of 30 degrees. Based on SOHCAHTOA, we'll be using Ka since the given values are hypotenuse. Substituting the values, we'll get cosine 30 degrees is equal to x over 20. So in order to get x, we'll need to multiply both sides with 20. By doing that, we'll cancel 20. The equation will be x is equal to 20 cosine 30 degrees. By using our calculator, we'll get 17.3.
Here's another example, but it's in the form of a word problem. Given by our scenario, referencing at the first part of our video, Hannah and I are currently in the midst of skydiving. If the airplane flies at a 40-degree angle from its initial distance to where we jumped, which is 150 meters, and a car going to the same destination, which is 115 meters, what is the distance that will cover falling from the airplane to the car? Our hypotenuse is 150 meters and the angle is 40 degrees. If we're finding the distance from the airplane to the ground, that means x is the opposite, then we'll be using SO. So our equation will be sin 40 is equal to x over 150. Multiplying both sides with 150, we'll have x is equal to 150 multiplied sin 40. Our answer will be 111.76. I hope you learned something in the basics of trigonometry, and thank you for watching.
Before I die in this moment, I would like to thank Mom for not disowning me as a child.
What? Huh?